Yeah, good. Okay. Yeah, I just verified that I've been added to the stage. Good evening, everyone. Today is day 9 out of 50. I think we are making a headway. Tomorrow marks day 10. And 10 sounds like a good number and a good way to move. Yeah. So what I've been able to learn today, I've not been able to learn much. I was still trying some um cropping and then contour kind of things when it comes to the computer vision. I personally understand that this thing I'm learning is archaic and there are more easier ways to doing them and they do not exist in the industry that much. Like people don't write code, people don't use this method any longer. Um, but the main reason I'm still doing this is that I believe existing technologies would definitely have to depend on the ones that we call archaic. Example, nobody learns NumPy any longer, but most of the frameworks and the libraries that we use in Python when it comes to data science, AI, um, just name it. They depend on NumPy, but nobody wants to learn NumPy. You go and then focus on learning other libraries, and later on you realize that these things are just coming from NumPy. So focus on learning the fundamentals, just trying to get all those things that I thought were not necessary that I missed. Yeah. In case you want to join the call and let's have a conversation, I am sharing a link to the chat. You can just join and let's talk. Yeah. So, oh, the person just left. Okay. Yeah. So today marks the 9, and I just shared with you what I have learned. And the challenge I'm currently facing when it comes to what I am doing now has to do with the set of devices I'm using because this is what I'm using for work and this is what I'm still using for personal related things. My laptop is already dense with tons of activities already. It's running more like a server in my room. Yeah, I'm abusing the laptop. Yet still, this time I've decided to do something that is processor intense. So it's a little difficult working on this laptop. Newton, you're welcome. Hello, Newton.
Yeah, hello, Ellie.
Yeah, can you share with us what you've learned?
Okay, so today I did something on debugging. Yeah, so I learned how to debug some codes using debuggers and also trying the print statements to also debug codes and also using Stack Overflow when you feel like the debugging has just gotten out of hand. I think yesterday I was debugging some code, some error, and it was hectic for me. So today, when I got into that lesson, I learned a lot, and I've even posted it on LinkedIn as well. I think debugging is really important part of coding, and I enjoyed every bit of it. I even did some exercises where I had to debug some codes, and it was quite exciting for me.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Yeah, James, share with us what you've learned.
Hello,
Yeah.
evening. Uh, so actually today has been a very busy day for me. So I've not really been able to study anything, but I'm here to work this evening. I had a proposal presentation and I've been on it waiting for them and I later on did it. So I'm here to work for this evening. That is for the target of the day. So hopefully I'm hoping to look at after completing the simulations aspect, I'm hoping to bring my simulations to life because I think we would have to be doing some presentations soon. So I would try and bring some of the simulations to practical life. That is working with the hardware actually. Yeah. So that is what I have for today.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. Yeah, Julian, you are welcome. Can you share with us what you've learned today, or what you've been up to, what you've been doing?
I'm not sure we can hear you. Personally, I can't hear him, so I don't know.
Yeah, Julian, I can't also hear you.
Sure, it's his network.
Okay. Does anyone have anything to share today?
I think you are the one supposed to share something with us today.
Come to my house for dinner.
I don't like. I don't want to have pot belly, so I don't take dinner by this time. From my time, per my time, I don't take dinner by this time. It's past dinner time.
Hmm. For me, I'm still in my afternoon because you will have to sleep around 2 a.m. So 8 p.m. Comparing 8 p.m. and 2 p.m. Yeah, it's still afternoon for me. Yeah.
That's great.
So that's what I have to share. Yeah, Newton, anything to share today?
Ah, people, that's what you have to
Oh,
share.
Hmm? If I say anything to share, doesn't mean food. Like, what do you have to say? Okay, okay, so probably nobody has anything to share. That's why you don't understand this. Yeah, so give me a round.
Ah,
Yeah, so let's end the meeting. It's 8 minutes into the meeting. Your last words for the day.
it is going to be really abnormal to end the meeting 8 minutes before the meeting ends. That's very bad. So we could definitely have something to share. So for me, I
yeah,
have a question. I asked a
Okay.
question yesterday, and then
yeah, we do.
uh, nobody responded.
What's the question?
Okay, it was not a question. I said some food for thought. Like, do you feel like giving up this 50 days challenge? Do some days when you are overwhelmed with all the activities and the things you have planned out, especially those who are working in academia and all that, do you sometimes feel like just giving up that, Charlie, do I even have time to learn this thing? I have to do this. So this one is. So do you feel like giving up sometimes?
Mm-mm. Yeah, Newton.
No, Ellie, I'm asking you first. Why are you calling me?
No, because Newton is my boss. If Newton doesn't feel like giving up, why should I give up?
No, let's start from the younger one. Since you say he is the boss, yes, he's our boss. So I want the poor
See,
masses.
you see,
Since you are saying you are not the boss,
this is the problem with some people.
Oh,
You use the younger generation for test runs. And then, yeah, Julian, you're welcome.
Okay, can you hear me clearly now?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
we can hear you.
Okay. Today, mostly I spent most time learning how to test code on Python code mainly. How to test Python code and also how to make a CI/CD pipeline. Uh, how to automate CI/CD with GitHub Action. That's
Okay,
what I learned today. And bits how in YAML file. I spend most time on GitHub Action, how to integrate continuous integration and continuous delivery with GitHub CI/CD and testing in Python. That's
okay,
what I have learned today. So tomorrow I try to use another CI/CD tools, maybe Sig CI or another tool. I don't know now, but tomorrow. Uh, That's all for
no,
me. I have built small apps, not the small app, maybe, I have fork a project and try to build CI/CD, integrate CI/CD with that project. That's all today.
okay, okay, okay. That's impressive. Yeah.
And you?
Quick quiz not on the core. Yeah. So back to what James was talking about. So from day one to day nine, the thought of giving up never came to mind. But before the start, I gave up on this on countless occasions because um, I was I don't know how to put it because at the moment a lot is happening around me. Yeah, yeah. I'm just preventing them from entering me. Yeah, they are just around me. So a lot is happening around me. So I was like, will you wait to do this? Is this the right time? Would you want to postpone this? And yeah, but it's a twin tech activity, not an early activity. So I don't have a stay on it. But at the long run, who cares? You just have to jump and then start it. And when I started it, I noticed, yeah, it's something you can complete. So I felt like giving up before the start of it, but from day one to day nine, no. And it also boils down to the decision I took that you just have to do it. Yeah. But before the start, I gave up on countless occasions because I was focused on a lot of things. Just like um it's yeah. So that's yeah. So if you feel like giving up, I would sincerely advise you give up because if you give up, you have more sleep hours, and sleep is good for your health. Yeah,
Yeah,
but
you are
the,
right.
yeah, it's compromise what you can sacrifice for. Yeah, so if you want to give up, yeah, give up. And if you don't want to give up, fine. And but you should know there's always a price to pay. You are definitely going to be responsible for your actions and inactions. If you are in good health, you don't have anything wrong with you, you sleep 12 hours a day, and you feel you can't sacrifice 1 hour a day to learn, and because you kept saying codes and you want to give up, yeah, give up because you are sincerely making work easy for some of us because I will not be in a competition with you when it comes to an interview because you've not learned what I'm learning. Yeah. So when you give up, it's to my advantage and also to the advantage of your health, but not to the advantage of your pocket. That sounds silly, right? Hello, can anyone hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So Julian, before you joined, James was asking if at any point anyone felt like giving up. Yeah. So that was my answer, and it's a very silly answer though. But yeah,
What was his question?
his question was, have you ever felt like giving up?
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So before giving up, remember why you have started, what you want to achieve. Because so when it becomes so hard, it's your first thought is uh to give up. But if you remember why you have started, what you want to achieve, what's your goal in after the challenge, what will be your reward after the challenge, you will maybe I think it's um because of maybe the difficult the challenge become more hard. So this is why maybe you want to stop, but it's
Mhm.
not just take a break. Maybe when you are programming, it's like when you are coding, sometimes you feel so bad, you feel not want to continue because you found a bug and it take a long time to fix that bug, maybe 4 hours, 5 hours, difficult bugs to fix. But when you take a breaks and uh, come after, take a break for maybe a long time, maybe you stop today and come back tomorrow to continue, you will have more motivation. You will maybe let time pass before restart again. It's a
Yeah.
very very important thing.
Yeah. 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 I sincerely agree with you on that. Yeah. Newton. Hello, Newton. Can you hear
Yeah,
us?
Ellie.
Yeah. So James was asking if you've ever felt
I
like
left. So, are we still talking about what James brought up?
exactly.
Hello.
Yeah, we are still talking about the question James asked, whether you felt like giving up.
Yeah, hello. I can hear you. Can you hear me? Uh huh.
Yeah.
Hello. Uh, yeah. Please come again. Hello.
Yeah. We are
Yeah.
talking about the question James asked about
Hello.
giving. Yeah, Newton, we can hear you. Um, I think Newton is having network issues, or probably I'm having network issues. James, can you hear me?
James, maybe if okay, easy.
I don't know. It seems today the network is on me. Wow.
Yeah, Newton, we can hear you.
can hear me, Ellie?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think I got cut off again when Newton was trying to also contribute to what I asked. So I don't know if we have all contributed.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can.
can you
Yeah,
hear me
yeah.
now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I was asking if we are still discussing.
Hello, Newton. We can hear you. We are still discussing the question
Hello?
James asked.
Changing channel.
Hello, Newton.
We he found network issue.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Julian, can you give us your last words for the day? And yeah, probably we can call it a day for now.
um, Never not give up. Let's take a break and let time pass and restart the next day.
Okay. Okay.
If
Thank
you
you.
feel overwhelmed, or if you feel bad, if you want to give up, don't give up. Just take a break and get back next day.
Okay. 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 That's good. Thank you all for joining today's session. And if you feel like giving up, remember the decision is yours, but always have a decision and know why you are
Mm.
taking a specific action. So if you want to give up, just remember why. There's always a reason, even during war and the likes, the military have to retreat and not give up. Most often they don't give up. They rather retreat and re-strategize. The same thing. If you know why you are doing something and you are willing to give your all for it, instead of giving up, retreat, re-strategize, drop in, talk to different people, consult people, and come back. But giving up will be an option that will depend on you. I won't say give up or don't give up. It's a personal decision. But remember, you will be responsible for your actions and inactions. But if you, in case you want to give up, in case you want to give up, give up. I yeah. Okay. So bye for now. Bye.
Bye.